There is nothing more frustrating than driving a powerful turbo diesel or a modern EcoBoost engine and suddenly feeling it go limp like it has lost all its muscle. You step on the pedal and there is just no response. This is often accompanied by the check engine light and code P0471, which is the exhaust pressure sensor range or performance code. This little sensor has a big job. It measures the pressure of the exhaust gases to help control the turbocharger and the exhaust gas recirculation system. When the signal from this sensor does not match what the computer expects based on the intake pressure or the outside air pressure, it sets this code. Now here's the insider tip that can save you hours of diagnostic time. This code is very rarely caused by a bad sensor itself. The number one culprit is carbon buildup. There is a small tube that connects the exhaust manifold to this sensor. Over time, soot and carbon from the exhaust clog this tube, just like cholesterol clogging an artery. When that happens, the sensor cannot read the pressure correctly. Before you buy any parts, locate that sensor and disconnect the tube. Try to blow through it. If you cannot, then you have found your problem. Use a piece of wire or a small brush to clean out that carbon blockage. Sometimes you'll even find water trapped in there. Clear that tube out and reassemble everything. Also inspect the wiring connectors for the sensor. Because of where they sit in the hot engine bay, the plastic can melt or the wires can chafe, causing connection issues. Look for green corrosion on the pins inside the connector too. If the tube is clear and the wiring looks good, then you get your multimeter out. You want to check for 5 volts at the sensor power wire and a good ground. If you have 5 volts and a good ground, but the reading is still off, only then should you condemn the sensor. But 9 times out of 10, a good cleaning of that pressure tube is all you need to get your boost back and clear that annoying light. It is a messy job, but it is a simple fix you can often do in your driveway.